In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to Shopify without YouTube. This is perfect if you don't want YouTube branding on your store, or you'd rather keep everything hosted directly on Shopify. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a video playing right on your page with no coding needed. First, we'll upload your video file to Shopify so it can be hosted there. In your Shopify admin, look for the section called Content, then click on Files. This is basically your file library where Shopify stores images, documents, and of course, videos. Once you're on the Files page, upload your video from your computer. An MP4 file is recommended because it tends to be the most compatible and gives you fewer playback issues. After the upload finishes, you'll see your video appear in the list. Click on it and copy the video URL that Shopify provides. We'll use that video in the next part through the theme editor. Now let's add that video to your actual store using the theme editor without touching any code. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and choose Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor where you can visually customize your storefront. On the left side, use the navigation to go to the specific page where you want the video to appear. This might be your home page, a product page, or another custom page you've created. Once you're on the correct page in the editor, click Add Section. A list of available section types will appear. From this list, choose Video. This tells Shopify that you want to add a dedicated video block to your layout. In the video settings, select the option for a Shopify hosted video. This ensures the video you just uploaded in the Files area can be used directly, instead of embedding something from an external platform. Then, pick the uploaded video from your library. You'll see a live preview of your page on the right side of the screen. Look at that preview and click play on the video to make sure it loads and looks the way you want it to. If everything looks good, the last step is to click Save in the theme editor. Once saved, your video is now live on your Shopify store, hosted by Shopify and displayed without YouTube.